All right, so we got haunted hits. Wheels. So we got 129, 130, 131, and 132 in the same bid here on a fresh case. 129 up first. Right, let's go grab the case. I think I've ever opened a full box. Any kind of guaranteed color. Alright, so Montaigne. Oh, purple shimmer 1 of 3. It's by Colin. So Miggy 2 of 4. By Colin. Little Tom Aspinall 1 of 2 blue disco. It's by Colin. The old Johnny Elway, so 1 of 1 orange. By Black Jack. And old Matthew Golden, the 1 of 1 zombie. Little flash truck. Zombie color match. Color match. Full take time. It's in 130. So Gold Love. Some early gold. Hey, we need a dual auto. So Dan the Man. So 1 of 3 green ice. Colin. No Big Ben 1 of 2. Little Colson Loveland 1 of 1, so blue laser. Little Luka Modric 1 of 1, little Frankenstein color match. Black Jack. So vinyl. Hey, old Tyler Shook. Find some T-shirt color match. Ooh, Tyler Shook, good start. So go vinyl rookie auto. So true 1 of 1 ink. Say it, Colin. I've hit a few Shucks. He's looking solid though. No good box ratchet. It's 31 for Blackjack full. We'll bust a Posey. It's 2 of 4. So Turf Monsters, Deontay Wilder. It's the 101 Dracula ink. Oh, they're so cool. Starting off some ink in the fresh case. No, Drew Brees, 1 of 2 laser. Oh, Kevin Garnett. So 101 yellow guy. Another Tom Aspinall. So 1 of 2. And we get starts this case. So 132. So Tyler Warren, rookie. So 101 yellow. Colin. So Money Mayweather. So 101 Witch. Colin. So Nick Kurtz, rookie. 2 of 3 scope. Colin. Well, Neymar Jr., 2 of 4 orange. And Colin. Little Paul Skeens. So 1 of 2 mojo. Patrick on the board. So color match Skeens. Alright, I mean, first year Prism. Just didn't think it was gonna be the product it is today. Six, 33 slip. So Haunted Hoots. So jumping in, everybody.